Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we're talking about freelancing in 2021, a way that you can make money from home and online. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoy today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about freelancing in 2021. There's a number of different platforms out there that you can use to do freelance work. Whether you want to do something that is specifically online based or whether you want to do something from your home, there is a way for you to do it, and you can make fairly good money doing it. It could even be something you do full time and get a nice substantial amount per year depending on the niche that you're in. Here you can see we are at Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a freelancer platform, and they have a few different main categories to choose from, and then they have multiple niche selections in each of the categories. As you can see here, comes up first on writing and translation. They also have graphics and design, digital marketing, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, data, business, and lifestyle. And each of these categories has a nice number of designations under each of them. So if you think that you don't have one on there, I'm sure it is in one of the different categories. It's fairly simple to do. You create an account, go through, create your profile for the different types of jobs or freelance work that you want to do. Give a description on how long you expect it to take you and the amount of money that you would like in exchange for your work, and you're pretty good to go. And the payment aspect, everything goes through a PayPal style situation of invoices and direct payments. And you have people on this platform that are at all levels of freelance work, from fairly new beginners to the professionals and experts that have been doing this kind of thing for decades. Another platform out there that you can use is Upwork. Upwork has been around for a little while, and they too are another freelance platform that you can go to and offer your services on there. Here you have multiple selections, again, just like you would on Fiverr. Some of these are a little bit more in the professional field, as you can see here. Data entry specialist, video editors, data analytics, Shopify developer, Ruby on Rails developer, Android developer, bookkeepers, content writer, copywriter, database admin, data scientist, front-end developer, game developers, graphic designers, iOS developers, Java developers, WordPress developer, web designers, virtual assistants, UX and UI designers, technical writers, SEO experts, and the lists go on and on. And these are just a couple of the many platforms that are out there for you to be able to use as an entrepreneur and freelancer. There are a number of different ways for you to be able to do your freelance work, whether it is online or offline. Which brings us to our next couple of options for you when it comes to having a platform to use for marketing yourself as a freelancer. Next one is Craigslist. Craigslist is another great place for you to be able to list your freelance services. You can put them in the help wanted section. You can put them in the gig section. The main difference between Craigslist and the online platforms is you get to put all your information in one little thing for that particular listing, and you are then responsible for every aspect of the freelance work. You are going to have to set up arrangements for your payments for your work, whether it is a PayPal transaction or whether it is something done in person and paid cash. Another option you can use is Freelancer.com, which is another site similar to Fiverr and Upwork. There's also other ones called 99 Designs for those that are into doing graphic work, like creating logos and album art and all kinds of different stuff like that for the digital media aspect. Now, one that many people don't really think of, but is also a viable option, is Facebook. You can go on to Facebook, create a Facebook page, and then you can list yourself for your services on that Facebook page. It gives your audience an ability to interact with you on social media as well as be able to find you and your services. You can have your own logo, you can have a header that lists all the different services that you're able to offer, and you can share the different experiences that you've had with doing your freelance work on your news feed for that page. Facebook does have a pay platform built into it, or you can also use a service like PayPal to be able to receive payments and invoice the customers, or you can make arrangements to do things in person like you would on Craigslist. So I hope this episode gave you a little bit of information that you can take and go out and get your own little freelance business started. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. While you're at it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you do have questions and you don't feel like dropping it in the comments down below, you can always join us on Mondays at 3 p.m. Eastern Time for the live Q&A on every Monday's video and general questions on any of the episodes. I hope that you have a good day, stay safe, and we will talk to you soon.